We're going to create our very first project in C#. To do this, let's go to File, New Project, and looking for Console app in Visual C# section. You can change default saving location in there if you want. And let's click OK. The Solution Explorer pane is a tool window in the right side of Visual Studio that displays the contents of a solution, which includes the solution's projects and each project's items. So we can see that we have a program.cs here, which opened for us over here in the editor. And there are properties and references. Those are project settings that aren't actually filed in our system. Visual Studio puts the most commonly using statement in there automatically for us. They're grayed out, which means we'll still not have used them. This is default namespace which have been generated by Visual Studio automatically. Everything in C# is object, so we have a program class which inside of it there is a method where our program starts its execution. We'll learn about namespaces and classes in greater detail as we go. Let's get started with writing a few lines of code to become more familiar with Visual Studio and the C# syntax. I should notice that there is a code compilation tool in Microsoft Visual Studio which called IntelliSense. So we are going to write console.writeLine. The IntelliSense cut down on the amount of typing, therefore we just find the match in the appeared window and hit tab and it fill the rest of it. I'm going to write one sample line out to the screen using console.writeLine. And like using period at the end of the sentence, all C# code lines terminate with a semicolon. Now to be able to see the codes, we need some sort of pause here. Console.readLine waits until we press Enter key. Based on the green line over here, we could make sure we have saved everything. We could even record our innermost thoughts with documentation for our code by double slash before the code block to which the comments refer. I want to point out to this orange bar down here. When it turns to orange means we have something running, while a minute ago was blue. Now I dismiss my program by pressing enter. So this is our simplest kind of program using console application.